See question number 25. Task 2 25. You are given x is equal to 4 into t minus 2 plus a into t minus 2 whole square. Okay, right? Here a is a constant. It is not acceleration, it is a constant. Okay. Now, how will you find out velocity? You know, velocity is dx by dt. So, how will you differentiate this? This t minus 2 differentiation will be t minus 2. T differentiation is 1. 2 is a constant. So, this will be 4 into 1. That's it. Plus a into, what is the differentiation of this? This is of the form t square. Okay. So, if you take this power as the coefficient, that is 2 into t minus 2 whole power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1, into differentiation of t, that is nothing but 1. Are you getting this step? So we are writing, we are considering the, suppose it is t square. How will you write t square differentiation? How will you write 2t, isn't it? But here t minus 2 whole square. So what you have to do? First write the power as the coefficient, then reduce the power by 1, and whatever is the differentiation of this quantity which is inside the bracket with respect to time, that you write it as coefficient. Okay. Now what is the acceleration? Acceleration nothing but dv by dt. So if you again differentiate, this term will become 0 because this is constant. Okay, and now this is 2a into t minus 2. So 2a into t, differentiation of t is 1, but for the second term this is a constant, so it becomes 0. Okay, so we get the acceleration. Let us write this acceleration as a. Let us say acceleration is capital A, okay, because this A is already used in the question, right? So acceleration is equal to 2A. That is one option in the question. That is the second option. That is the right answer. But others are not correct. Check. At t is equal to 0, at t is equal to 0, if you substitute t is equal to 0 here, what you will get? X is equal to minus 8 plus, here it is 0 minus 2 whole square, that is nothing but 4a. So we are getting x is equal to 4a minus t. But the question says at t is equal to 0 it starts from the origin. It is not starting from the origin because x is not equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, if you observe initial velocity at t is equal to 0, what is its velocity? If you substitute t is equal to 0, right? So what you will get? You will get something 4 minus 4a. So initial velocity is also not 0. Okay. So now let us see what are the options. See the options. What are the options given in the question? Check the options. Question number 25. The initial velocity of the particle is 4. No. Initial velocity of the particle is 4 minus 4a. Second option is acceleration of the particle is 2a. This is correct. The particle is at origin at t is equal to 0. No, at t is equal to 0 we are finding the particle is at 4a minus t. So the correct answer is second option, that is at t the acceleration of the particle is 2a. Okay, and that is independent of time, right? So second option is the correct answer.